Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a package on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will need to ship your package. So for this video, I'm going to follow this rhythm. Basically, this is exactly the question is how to ship or to send a package on eBay. And as you can see, those are the tips or this is how you can do it. So first, you will need to find the package or the packaging for your item. After that, you put the item in and protects if needed. And basically, then you weigh the final product. And after weighing the final product, you will need just to make sure to memorize the weight. And if it is under a pound, you can use first class shipping and you can do free or make the buyer pay. Otherwise, if it is over a pound, you can like just use the standard priority mail and it would be the cheapest. So simply now you will need just to go to your orders. So in my eBay, go to selling and then it will take you to the selling hub. And basically there you would find um, your orders and here waiting for shipment. And basically then you will click on the orders you want to set up the shipments for or the shipping for. And basically you will add the dimension and the weight as you did. And from there you can choose like the first class shipping or the standard priority mail. Then make the buyer buy by inputting the weight and measurement and choose calculate shipping. So basically, you'd find like on the shipping page, you'd find these options and you can choose from them. And basically now, at the end, you will need to, depends on the element or the service that you have choose, either like a mailbox or whatever, you can then take the package to a mailbox or to the carrier or the service carrier and then just send the package to the buyer. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.